Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to set up the VirtualBox in your Windows machine, and after that how to install any operating system into that VirtualBox. Specifically we are going to learn how to install Kali Linux operating system into our VirtualBox. So let's get started. First of all, we need some essentials. For that we wanna install firstly our VirtualBox. So search on the Google just VirtualBox and you click on the first link you will get here. Just download it. I have already downloaded it. I'm not gonna download it again. After this you will need an operating system's ISO file. For that just type kali.org to get the Kali Linux operating system. Click on the download section and click download Kali Linux. After this link will take you to the download page. Here as you can see there are different versions of the Kali Linux operating system available. You can choose to any of it. I'm just gonna go with the full patch installation, which is approximately 2.1 GB. So I've already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna install it again. And now let's start setting up our software. So first we're gonna install our VirtualBox, and it could take a while. Click on next. Let it be default. Let it be default. Yes, here it is saying that installing the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Networking features will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. It means that it will currently disconnect us from network as it is gonna take our network cards into its control. I'm not gonna go into deep, but that's it. Basically what happens is in some operating system, in some older versions of the Kali Linux distro, the network or the Wi-Fi of the operating system in the VirtualBox does not work. It's stating that, but this bug has been resolved into the newer versions. Okay, so now it's asking to install. We're gonna click yes, and it's copying new files. Now you can see the desktop icon has been created here. Now our virtual machine has been installed. Let's finish download. Here is our interface for the VM virtual box of the Oracle, and here we can see different settings: preferences, import, export, new, add. So preferences, the settings we want for our operating system. Import, if there is an import in operating system into our system, we can import it, and we could export an existing operating system to another device. If we want to add an existing operating system to that, but in our case we can create a new operating system. Just name your operating system. I'm gonna name it Kali Linux. It is the location where our virtual machine is gonna install. It asking for the type, for selecting Linux according to my distro, and leave all the things default, and we are gonna check them out later on. Now click create. It is asking for the virtual memory it is gonna use. So I'm giving it 8 GB of hard disk memory, and the type of hard disk is virtual disk image. There are many more options like virtual disk image, virtual hard disk, virtual machine disk, but we're gonna leave it default. Now, storage on a physical hard disk. So dynamically allocated of disk size. What it basically means is that if you just the storage of your operating system, then what it is gonna do? It could just ask you to manually increase the size of the hard disk, or it could just dynamically do it itself. Now create. Now here you can see our operating system has been created, and now we're gonna set its properties according to our need. So go in settings, And here is the basic settings, advanced, distribution, none of our use. Now going to system. So what is the size of the RAM you want to allocate to your this operating system or virtual machine? So as I have an 8192 MB of RAM, I'm gonna allocate it 4 MB of RAM. Until you are in this green zone, you are good to go. Otherwise, it could make your host operating system do unwell. Okay, now going the processors. Same thing here. I have 12 cores in my CPU, so I'm gonna just allocate 6 of them to the processor for better visibility. And no acceleration, display settings, let it be defined, nothing much to change. Now talking about storage, here we have to select the ISO file of the operating system which we are gonna install into the system. Now I navigated to the folder where my operating system was installed. So you can see the disk image is of 3.06 GB. I'm gonna click it and select OK. Now the configuration of our system is ready and we are good to go. So we will start the system. As it is first time, it would take a long, and now our virtual box has been started. I would suggest to read these instructions, but they're gonna tell you how things gonna work into the virtual box. Now my Kali Linux has been started and I'm gonna not install it, I'm gonna run it live and it's starting. So the Kali Linux is started. You can also choose to install the Kali Linux into your virtual box. Just it is just for demonstration purpose to how to use virtual box. So I am going to just run the Kali Linux operating system live, as the process for the installation of different operating system may vary. So it's taking a while. Just wait. Okay. Plasma made by KDE. So Kali Linux has been loaded. And here you can see connection, wired connection one activated. So basically what it means is that whenever you use Kali Linux into the virtual box, it just uses your Wi-Fi as a wired connection internally. So we are not gonna go to deep for that, but I suggest for sake of your information I will do that. Now that's pretty much all. Here you can do whatever you want into your virtual system as you do in your general systems. If there's any specific operating system you want to get installed in your system and facing some issues, you can just comment it out and I will help you later. Now how to close the system, just go into here you can see different settings, text snapshot, full screen mode, adjust window size, where it is adjusting it to the window size, scale mode, no, it hasn't gone in full screen. So that's all. Now when you close it, will ask for the three things. Save the state of machine, send the shutdown signal, power of the machine. What is different between these three? When we click the save the machine state, it saves the current state of our virtual box, like whatever was the process was going into, whatever it was saving, downloading, it saves their current state into the system. And where it saves to the virtual hard disk created just for this operating system. When you send a shutdown signal, it just closes off the whole virtual box. But whenever we select the third option, power of the machine, it just closes our current running virtual machine and not the virtual box. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If not, then do suggest me. Thank you everyone.